Good morning. Today is Friday, November 29th, the day after Thanksgiving. So, no trading yesterday because of Thanksgiving. It was a bank holiday. And yeah, there's no news today, so we'll see if I even trade. I'm going to have to look at the charts to see the price action. But let's get right into it. Sorry, looking at dog with hat. Okay. So, yesterday we look. Oh, we didn't even have price action yesterday. Oh, whoa. Wait. Thursday. No, we had Thursday. Why was there no daily candle? What? Monday. Where's Monday? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Why is there no daily candle? That's weird. But looking at this, looks like we're setting up a buy model on the 15-minute, and we have higher. We have higher price to go on the external time frame as well. Oh, we have a nice buy model actually setting up. All these highs. And I think we have higher. Yeah, we have higher buy side liquidity. Possible. Oh, and we have SMT here. Okay, this is setting up very nicely. SMT here. Okay, so I could be looking to take a trade right now, honestly. Yeah, we made a nice move down. More SMT. Okay, so I am going to look to enter into this. Okay, so my bias is long for today, and yeah, we'll come back for aftermarket. Peace.